something for people that are maybe just beginning or, you know, haven't learned a lot of chords. This is an open tuning technique I learned, and I'll play a little song around it. But this is a G tuning, and I've got my low E string is tuned to a D. My A string is tuned down to a G. You can join me here and just tune down a whole step. The open D is the same, the G is the same, and the B is the same. And then your high E is tuned down a step to a D. And it sounds like it's a chord. And I mention that because for a lot of people, if they're just getting started, they need a way, they're like training wheels, you know, it kind of helps you get going. And so I'm going to show you, if you know an A minor 7th shape, it goes like this. Most of you know an A minor. Just lift up your third finger and you got an A minor 7th shape. And the way I like to work this, I'll do an easy strum. Okay, so you got your open G, and that really is a C chord, or 4 chord, okay? And if you want to go to your D, you just do a regular D, but just leave out that second finger on the bottom, or a 7th, just like that. Those are the 3 chords we're going to talk about today. And I'm just going to do an easygoing Bob Dylan song. It's called "It Takes a Lot to Laugh, It Takes a Train to Cry." It's one of his earlier tunes. And it utilizes this technique that you could use yourself. Kind of get that rolling rhythm going. Well, I ride on a mail train. Can't buy me a thrill. I've been up all night, leaning on my windowsill. I'm going to do a G7 that looks like this. If I die on top of a hill. That's your D7. If I don't make it, you know my baby will. So that's a way you can use an open G tuning, and I'm going to show you some other stuff too as we get along. But by just simply taking your A minor shape and making it an A7th, so you're looking just like a C chord, right? Exactly like a C chord, but remove your third finger. And that is in fact a C chord. There's another way to do that, and this is a really simple thing. You go to your 5th fret and just simply bar it. Okay? I talked a little bit about open tuning before, but this is really effective because if that's a C, you know this is a D, okay? You've up to the 7th chord. And if you want to, you can use an open D note. So that's really quite a bit of information in terms of how to do a 1, 4, 5 in G and not have to go through all the gyrations of learning the chords, the closed chords, and all that. So by taking this simple open G and adding this A minor 7th shape, and then all you got to do is take your third finger and go down 1 string, and you've got a D7th. So you've got 1, 4, 5, 1, D, C, D, G. Oh, the sun looked good coming down over the trees. Oh, the moon looked good shining down a double E. G-tuning lesson. Bob Dylan, "It Takes a Lot to Laugh, It Takes a Train to Cry," which is one of my favorite Dylan tunes. And to give you an example of how you can utilize that 1, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, or 1, 5, 4, 3, 1, lots of things you can do. You listen to a blues song, you can do this, and this, and this. You can go. and you can do kind of an early John Lee Muddy Waters thing. So this is a really valuable thing, and the other thing you can do with it, I'll show you more later, but just by moving it up and down, do various different shapes, and kind of get a... I'll be getting into that a little later, but there's your easy flow rhythm. We're talking about easy strum rhythm. Really simple. Little time is coming. The windows are filled with thoughts. I wanna tell everybody what I could never cross. Well, I wanna be your love, baby. I don't wanna be your boss. Say I never warned you when the rain gets low. So there's your open G, easy strum, little Bob Dylan in there for your soul. Yeah.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.